Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn to do pillow cover by using alpine stitch. In this stitch, only front post double crochet and double crochet and single crochet stitches are used. If you are new to this channel or if you are beginner, please go and check out that basic crochet videos. The link is given below. It will be very easy to understand about crochet. Free written pattern also are available in my blog. The link is given in the description box below. Come, let's start our video. I have used 5mm hook and spectrum multicolor yarn, shade number 813015. Begin with split knot. I'm using multiples of 2. From here to chain 62. After 62 chains, do 1 chain extra. We're going to do single crochet from hook, skip 1 chain and inside the hook on the second chain, yarn over, pull a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Like this, do another single crochets on the next chain. Like this single crochet we're going to do all over this 62 chains. In every single chains, do single crochets. Totally 62 single crochets have to come in row 1. After completing 62 chains, now we're going to start our row 2. In row 2, begin with chain 3. This chain 3 indicate as double crochet. Turn over. Now do double crochets on the next stitch. Like this, double crochet we want to do all over this row 2. Totally 62 double crochets want to come in this row 2. After completing 62 double crochet stitches, now begin row 3. In row 3 again we are going to do single crochets, chain 1, turn over. Now on the first stitch inside the hook and do single crochet and another single crochet on next stitch. Like this single crochet want to do all over this 62 stitches. After 62 single crochet stitches, row 4, 3 chain. This 3 chain indicate as double crochet. From here we're going to begin alpine stitch. Now we have 3 chain. This 3 chain indicate as double crochet. On the next double crochet stitch, do 1 double crochet. On next double crochet stitch, do front post double crochet, yarn over, inside the hook, middle of double crochet stitch, like this. we want to take a hook like this. I will show you again. Yarn over, inside the hook, middle of double crochet stitch, behind double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Now yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. That's all. We did our front post double crochet. Now skip that single crochet stitch behind front post double crochet and do normal double crochet on next single crochet stitch. And do another front post double crochet on next double crochet stitch. Skip this normal double crochet stitch, do front post double crochet on the next stitch. That's it. Now again normal double crochet on next stitch. Skip this single crochet stitch behind front post double crochet, inside the hook on the next single crochet stitch and do normal double crochet. Do front post double crochet on next stitch. I think you can understand the pattern. First front post, next stitch do normal double crochet, on next stitch do front post double crochet and next stitch normal. Like this vice versa we are going to do. Now front post double crochet on next stitch. Normal double crochet on next stitch. Like this we are going to complete this all over this row. That's all. We completed our row. Because of multicolor yarn, the stitches are enhanced. At last, that's it. Chain 1, turn over. In this row, single crochets all over the stitches. Like this. After single crochet, want to do this double crochet and front post double crochet stitches. After front post and double crochet stitch, do single crochet. Like this we're going to repeat all over this pattern. If there is a normal double crochet, do front post double crochet. In the place of front post double crochet, do normal double crochet. Like this vice versa we're going to do all over this desired pattern. I have completed 145 rows, 81 centimeter length. On that last I completed with single crochet stitches. Now time to stitch buttonhole. One side of pillow we are going to stitch button and another side we are going to crochet buttonhole. Now for buttonhole, begin with row 146, 2 single crochet stitches all over this row. After completing single crochet stitches, 62 single crochet stitches, decide your button. I'm using this. Depend on button size, create your button size hole. To crochet buttonhole, to create buttonhole, suggest place for the buttonhole. Just fold this case like this. Mark the middle stitch with the help of marker. That's it. In this place one hole will come. After that, fold the case like this. Like this. Mark the middle stitch. If you don't have a marker, you can also use safety pin. On the other hand, fold the case like this. Now on the middle stitch, mark. You can also use other color yarn to mark the stitch. That's it. The 3 hole will come on this place. Now chain 1, turn over. Till this mark, we're going to do single crochet stitches. We crocheted single crochet till this mark. Time to remove this mark. Skip this marked stitch. Chain 2, skip this marked stitch and do chain 2. And again do single crochet on the next stitch. Chain 2. Skip this marked stitch. Inside the hook on the next stitch and do single crochet. That's it. We got our first hole. Check that the hole size is correct for button. If else, you can adjust that hole size. Continue single crochets till next mark. We reached to mark stitch. Now do chain 2. Skip this mark stitch and set the hook on the next stitch and do single crochet. Continue doing single crochets till next mark. We got our second hole. Remove this mark stitch and again check this hole size and do single crochets till next mark and again chain 2 and single crochet. Like this we have completed this row. Continue with next row. 148, chain 1, do single crochet on each and every single crochet stitch. Till the chain 2 space. In chain 2 space, do 2 single crochet stitches. After that, 1 single crochet on each and every single crochet stitch till next chain 2 space. Look how our buttonhole are created. Like this we want to continue. In next chain 2 space, again we want to do 2 single crochet stitches on this chain 2 space and 1 single crochet on other chain 1 space. Like this we have repeated and completed this row. Now next row, chain 1, turn over. This is the last row of a pillowcase. 1 single crochet on each and every single crochet stitch all over this row. After completing 149th row, now fasten off our yarn, chain 2, leave some yarn, pull this chain 2 downwards like this. That's all. We got our secure knot. Now it's time for arrange our pillowcase. Fold the pillowcase as shown in my video. Right side should come back side and wrong side should come inside. Keep that button side inner and buttonhole side outward and arrange these edges like this. Arrange the edges properly without any fold. Fix it with marker to avoid any confusion. Like this, arranged another side also. Now it's time for stitching. By help of crochet needle, stitch this edge as shown in my video. Stitched both the side of my pillowcases with the help of crochet needle. Look, now it is ready. It's time to attach button. On direct in the place of buttonhole, keep this button correctly on the place of buttonhole, and now stitch that button with the help of crochet needle. That's all. We stitched our first button. Stitch other two buttons on that buttonhole place. That's all. We finished our pillowcase. I think you like this video and you can understand the pattern. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And try this pillowcase. It's a beginner friendly pattern. You can also learn this pattern with the help of written instruction in my blog. The link is in the description box below. Please try this pattern. Send your picture to my Instagram. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. I will try to clear your doubt. And thank you for watching.